Hello student, we will continue our topic. Professor Ahmad asked the children to pick up leaves from the forest floor and observe them under the hand leaves. They found teeny mushroom over the declining leaves. These also saw an army of teeny insects and battles of them. They were wondering how the organism lived there. Professor Ahmad explained that apart for this animal which are easily seen, there are several organisms and microorganisms that live in the soil. Paheli wondered what a mushroom and other microorganisms eat. Professor Ahmad replied that they feed upon the dead plant and animals' tissues and convert them into the dark color substance called humus. यानी प्रोफेसर अहमद जो है एक्सप्लेन कर रहे थे और जो है लास्ट में एक और क्वेश्चन पूछा, उसका आंसर देने के बाद जो है हम लोग क्या कहते हैं, एनिमल टिश्यूज एंड कन्वर्ट them into the dark color substance called, जो डार्क कलर सब्सटेंस इसे हम क्या कहते हैं, ह्यूमोइस. So the microorganism which is converted the dead plants and animals to humus are known as a decomposed. The microorganism play an important role in the forest. Soon the Paheli remove some dead leaves and discovered under them a layer humus on forest floor. The presence of a human ensured that the nutrition of a dead plant and the animals released into the soil. From there, these nutrition are again absorbed by the root of a living plants. So ऐसे उसके अंदर जो डेड प्लांट्स है, डेड एनिमल्स है, जो उसका जो है इस्तेमाल किया जाता है, जिसे हम क्या कहते हैं, डिकम्पोजर्स. Tibu replied that dead animals become food for rodents, crows, jackals, insects. In this way, the nutrition are cleaned so that nothing goes waste in forest. So forest के अंदर ज़्यादातर कुछ भी नुक्स वेस्ट नहीं जाता है. Paheli remained a Professor Ahmad that had no explain why forests are called a green lungs. Professor Ahmad explained that plants are release oxygen through the process of photosynthesis. The plant help to provide oxygen for animal representations. They also maintain the balance of ऑक्सीजन एंड कार्बन डाइऑक्साइड इन द एटमॉस्फेयर. सो पहले ने पूछा कि जो है फॉरेस्ट को हम ग्रीन लंग्स क्यों कहते हैं. सो प्रोफेसर अहमद ने जो है जवाब दिया कि ऑक्सीजन जो होता है, जो प्लांट रिलीज ऑक्सीजन करता है, वो विद द हेल्प ऑफ फोटोसिंथेसिस. If you were few trees, how will with the water cycle can be affected? Tibu told them the forest is not just home to plants and animals. Many people are also live in the forest. Some of them may be belonging different types. Tibu explained that these people depend mostly on the forest. The forest provide them with a food, shelter, water and medicine. They have a traditional knowledge about the many medicinal प्लांट्स इन द फॉरेस्ट. यानी फॉरेस्ट के अंदर भी जो है लोग रहते हैं और उसके अंदर से उनको खाना मिल जाता है, जैसे मेडिकल्स, जैसे कि दवाइयाँ सब वगैरह उसके अंदर से जो है मिल जाता है. While Bujo was drinking water from a small stream, he saw some deer crossing the stream. Figure 17.11. They disappearing into the bushes. The density bushes and the tall grass provide animal with the food and shelter. Also protected them from a carnivorous live in the forest. Tibu then started looking closely to the forest floor. Soon he called and showed the children dropping of some animals and explained the difference between various types of dropping. Professor Ahmad informed them that the forest officer could recognize the presence of some animal in the forest by the dropping and फुटप्रिंट्स. यानी ज़्यादातर फुटप्रिंट और जो है उससे जो है पता चल जाता है कि जो एनिमल्स यहाँ कहीं है पास में. बुजो कॉल एवरीवन एंड शो देम अ लार्ज declaring heap of animal dropping several beetle and grubs and were a feeling on the hips and a bunch of us seeding was an this seeding are of the herbs and shrubs. So यहाँ पर जो है एनिमल्स के जो है वो पड़े हुए हैं निशान, सो इसीलिए उससे जो है पता चल जाता है. After listening to the Bujo noted in his notebook, by herbing the gathering verify the plants, the forests provide greater opportunity for a food and habitat for a herbivorous. Larger number of a herbivores means increasing availability of a food for a variety of carnivores. The wide varieties of an animal help the forest to regarding and grow. Decomposition help maintaining the supplying nutrition of to growing plants in the forest. Therefore, the forest is a dynamically living entity. इसको हम क्या कहते हैं? The forest is also dynamic living entity full of life and volatility.